Xavier?
This is how we prep for Slam at the Lake. We clean our driveways so that when we pull out, the car stays clean.
So, how's it everyone? Welcome back to another behind the scenes video of filming of Synthesis 2. What we are looking at doing here is to bring more appreciation to the builders, besides now from the whole Unity and stuff. Currently the builders do not get enough recognition. So what we're trying to say is, like, you know, like I've mentioned in the previous episode, that people often give credit to the car owners, and not a lot of people make it known who builds their cars and stuff. You know, who does the modifications, all those kind of things. We've put together a few guys that we know, just to give you guys a bit of a more, you know, look through on what they go through on a daily basis. But it's not going to be biased in that essence. It's just, this is the only builders that I personally know, that I can film stuff on for them. So in future I'm gonna make more, how can I say, effort to get in contact with different other builders. But for now, because we're on such a tight deadline of filming Synthesis, it's a bit difficult for me to jump around from one place to another and, you know, first acquaint myself with the people. What I usually like to do is I like to acquaint myself with the people first before I now go, you know. I don't like trespassing. I don't know why I think like that, but it's not like I would like to trespass on people's business hours and times, man. So yeah, I know all these guys that I'm shooting personally, so that is the reason why I've chosen the 4 of them for now for this Synthesis film, just to get some footage in for the film, you know, to lay emphasis on the builders for a change also. You know, we're always featuring the cars and we're featuring the owners, but not the builders, and they play a crucial role in the current industry. But yeah, I'm on my way to shore now, so I'll catch you guys there. Right, I just pitched up my Sean. So as you can see, the man is already busy there in the background with something again. He's busy welding intake pipe. Intake pipe. He's busy welding for the Golf. This is Golf. So yeah, you can see he's getting busy there in the background. So yeah, I'm gonna shoot a few things here by him for the Synthesis film, and then the weekend I'm having a car feature and then Slam at the Lake, so I'll vlog, sorry Fabian, I will vlog further there, and then combine this all into one episode. Dis nou nie vlogging wat julle mekaar met die sweep beslat nie. Okay, that's alright. Next, cheers to the next one. Slam at the Lake is tomorrow, and I'm heading off to some friends around about here and there, so we can just get some preparation videos. Sorry if it's a bit windy, but it is very windy outside. On the route to Shabba's warehouse now, where some of the Resistance guys is going to start prepping the cars for Slam at the Lake, and then yeah, I'll do some cinematics there, but I'll take you through the course of the day. Just look at me, look how cock white I am. I give you my glow sticks. Port Brookie dag, I'm even overexposed here. Calford Ranger, driving the car. But I'll get you guys now soon at Shaba's warehouse. You see, this is a rare sight to see.
Yes, look at it, man's neck is red already. You ever see a Charlton red?
Yeah. Spraying here. He doesn't have an inch in his back this time. Shaba is
That's
playing putt-putt with the water here.
That's Shaba in the wild.
Xavier?
This is how we prep for slab at the lake. We clean our driveways so that when we pull out, the car stays clean.
People is really busy here, prepping for tomorrow. Go here to Fabian then. Fabian hard bezig nog steeds. Fabian, just explain your car.
Oh, my car. Nah, man, must I explain now? Anyways, this is the second slam at the lake and I'm not making it. Okay, not making it, but I'm not coming with a car game. I think I'm jinxed when the man has hazard on me. But anyways, yeah, the car started giving problems on Friday. I sat all Friday with it. Saturday, today basically, sat again with the car. Got a hell of a misfire that I can't seem to find anyway. Only a Mercedes special will probably sort it out. And I can't get anybody out to come on the Saturday. So yeah, so I'm decided not to leave the car at home because I can't misdrive it, it's not drivable. So yeah, and it's the second slammed at the lake without the car. Last slammed at the lake, my 7 Series was standing without the engine. So yeah, and you know when I come without the car, then I start getting these cuck trophies. Because I'm not coming with the car, so now this I don't know what they're gonna give me this year.
Who created the trophy?
Who created the trophy? The man who's asking who created the trophy came up with the idea. He came up with the, yeah, Mr. Shaba's the one who came up with the idea of making a Scandi trophy. But I think this year, there's some good runners-up, or runners, for that new trophy.
A paar runners up.
There's a paar van hulle. One of them being Nama and Laren, I think you need to get like a certificate for a Scandi.
A runner up.
A certificate, yeah.
A runner up.
Yeah, he needs a certificate because he's a silent Scandi king. See, but yeah, but I'm still gonna go there. I'm still gonna support the guys. I'm still here by Shaba. Them helping him clean the cars and stuff. So yeah, see you guys there.
So
No man,
wait.
Donnie must get something. Donnie must get something for Club King or something.
I told Lowstar to create a trophy for Donnie. Yeah.
I wonder if let's hope he comes. He said
Push Club trophy.
Hy's van klapmuts af.
he's from Clubmuts.
I'm gonna send him a set of club sport.
Alright, but yeah, we'll still be there. We'll still coming. I'm still coming. So yeah, Nadir owes me a burger and chips because I'm paying now 2 spectator tickets. But yeah, all good.
So yeah,
Shaba's like, what's Shaba's doing with this?
by the time that this video goes live, then everybody would have probably seen Shaba's new, not I won't say new car, but his new look.
International look.
It's been kept undercover for very well, ne, Shaba?
Yeah.
So yeah, by the time this video comes out next week, you guys will probably see at the show already his new setup. Yeah, you. Yeah, right, so it's off to the next shoot now. I'm gonna do a few film there.
Well, there's no problem. If you had a gun, shoot him in the head.
Morning everyone. On the route now to Slam at the Lake. I woke up a bit late. It's 7:15. And I'll do some vlogging there for you guys. But really excited for the show. So I'll catch you guys there.
Catch you guys there.
Ja, dis alweer ek wil nie luister, ek wil alweer die draande opvat. I'm walking up here now. Bit of uphill. I'm gonna check you guys now soon.
Ja, dat is ik alweer in die.
Waar was die eentje?
Hier eentje. Ik wil een pakje opmaken.
Sawmill like salted. Brett,
Morning guys.
Cole's Vlogs, feed resistance, drone, drone operator. Man is a fighter pilot now. Guys, we're doing good today. Fabian still doesn't have an inch in his big. Oh, wow.